Hello, I'm Dr. Elizabeth Cavalier. I know the discomfort associated with vaginal dryness, especially during intimacy, when it may not just be dry, but occasionally outright painful. I have helped thousands of women safely and naturally restore lubrication, allowing them to enjoy a comfortable and responsive intimate life.
Dr. Cavalier is wonderful. She doesn't make you feel embarrassed or ashamed about obviously personal issues. 5 stars isn't even enough.
My practice is dedicated to helping women have healthy, functioning bodies throughout their lives.
The moment she says hello and engages you, you know it's going to be okay. She's incredible. Her experience, knowledge, and training is apparent every minute you're with her. Definitely 5 stars.
Enjoy a well-lubricated, responsive, romantic life. Call us at 212-218-3900 or schedule an appointment at totalurologycare.com.
I'm so impressed by the kindness and compassion of Dr. Cavalier. She listened to me thoroughly and helped me get a better understanding of my own body. 5 stars.
For help with vaginal dryness, call 212-218-3900 or schedule an appointment to see me at totalurologycare.com. Compassionate self-pay fees, most major medical insurances, and Medicare is accepted. Total Urology Care cares about you. We really do.